Camping has evolved far beyond the simple joys of a tent under the stars, with technology and innovation continuously shaping the way we interact with nature. Today's campers are spoiled for choice with gadgets that can turn an ordinary outdoor experience into an extraordinary adventure. From solar-powered devices to portable kitchens and even smart safety equipment. So let's begin. Imagine you're out camping and you need a tool that can handle just about anything. That's where the Griffin Adventure Tool comes in. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this compact multi-tool is designed to be your go-to companion in the great outdoors. It features a proprietary carabiner design, making it easy to clip onto your belt loop or backpack. With a No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver on the top corner and a flat head base, it's ready for any quick fixes that come your way. The built-in bottle opener ensures you can effortlessly pop open a cold one after a long day of hiking. Plus, the notched ruler on the side, marked to 1/16 of an inch, is perfect for those precise measurements. Weighing just 25 grams and measuring 2.9 inches in length, it's lightweight and compact, so you won't even notice it's there until you need it. Whether you're tightening screws, opening boxes, or measuring on the fly, the Griffin Adventure Tool has got you covered. Picture that you're deep in the woods, setting up camp, and you need a reliable way to secure your gear. That's where the cinch-in clinch comes in handy. This innovative accessory combines the versatility of a carabiner with the flexibility of a bungee cord, making it perfect for attaching items like water bottles, tarps, or tools to your backpack or campsite. Crafted from durable Type 3 mil-spec 550 parachute cord, it ensures longevity and resistance to abrasion and UV exposure. The adjustable cinches allow for a snug fit around various objects, providing a secure hold without the need for knots or complicated mechanisms. Whether you're hiking, boating, or just enjoying the great outdoors, the cinch-in clinch simplifies the process of managing your gear so you can focus on the adventure ahead. Imagine you're out on a weekend camping trip, and it's crucial to keep your drinks at the right temperature. That's where the Iron Flask sports water bottle becomes your trusty sidekick. Crafted from high-grade 18-8 stainless steel, this bottle ensures durability and a clean taste without any metallic flavor. Its double-wall vacuum insulation keeps your beverages cold for up to 24 hours and hot for up to 12 hours, making it perfect for both summer hikes and chilly mornings by the campfire. The bottle comes with 3 leak-proof lids, a spout lid for easy pouring, a flip lid with a handle for convenient sipping, and a stainless steel screw-on lid for secure transport. Available in sizes ranging from 14 ounces to a whopping 64 ounces, and featuring a variety of vibrant colors, the Iron Flask caters to your personal style and hydration needs. Plus, its sweat-free design means no more slippery hands or damp bags. Whether you're scaling a mountain or lounging at the campsite, the Iron Flask has got your hydration covered. Taking a trek through the backcountries, every ounce in your pack counts. And after a long day, all you want is a comfortable seat by the campfire. Enter the Trek Chair, an innovative solution that combines a camping chair and trekking poles into one ultralight package. Weighing just 15.6 ounces per pair, these trekking poles double as the frame for a sturdy chair, eliminating the need to carry separate bulky seating. When it's time to relax, simply assemble the chair using the poles and enjoy a well-deserved rest. This design not only reduces your pack weight, but also maximizes functionality, making it a game-changer for minimalist backpackers and hikers. With the Trek Chair, you can ditch the extra weight without sacrificing comfort on your outdoor adventures. While you're deep in the woods, the sun's setting, and you need reliable light to set up camp or cook dinner. That's when the Edic City LED camping lantern becomes your best friend. This compact lantern is a powerhouse, offering up to 12 hours of bright omnidirectional lighting thanks to its 30 energy-efficient LED bulbs. It's lightweight and collapsible, making it easy to pack and carry without taking up much space. Plus, it's constructed with military-grade materials, ensuring durability even in rugged outdoor conditions. The lantern operates on AA batteries, providing flexibility when you're off the grid. Whether you're hanging it inside your tent or using it to light up your campsite, the Edic City LED camping lantern is a must-have for any outdoor adventure. Imagine you're out camping and after a day of hiking, you're ready to unwind by a campfire. But instead of gathering wood and struggling to get a fire going, you simply pull out the Radiate portable campfire. This compact 8-inch fire pit is amazing for outdoor enthusiasts. Made from recycled soy wax and paper pulp, it's eco-friendly and designed for convenience. With a burn time of 3 to 5 hours, it provides ample warmth and ambience for your evening. Plus, it's reusable. Just extinguish it when you're done and it's ready for your next adventure. Weighing only 4 pounds, it's easy to pack and carry, making it perfect for camping, beach trips, or backyard gatherings. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional campfires, and hello to more time enjoying the great outdoors. Imagine you're deep in the backcountry, miles from the nearest cell tower, and you want to keep your loved ones updated on your journey. That's where the Spot Gen 4 satellite GPS messenger comes into play. This rugged pocket-sized device ensures you stay connected even beyond the reach of cellular service. With a simple press of a button, you can send pre-programmed check-in messages to let family and friends know you're safe, or in case of an emergency, trigger an SOS to alert emergency responders with your precise GPS location. The Spot Gen 4 offers customizable tracking intervals, allowing others to follow your progress in real time. Its durable, waterproof design is built to withstand the elements, making it an essential companion for any outdoor adventure. Plus, with a battery life that can last up to several days, you can embark on extended trips with confidence. Whether you're hiking, camping, or exploring off-grid, the Spot Gen 4 provides peace of mind, knowing you're never truly alone in the wild. Taking a late hike and the sun sets faster than expected? So you reach into your pack and grab the Black Diamond Cosmo 300 headlamp. This thing is compact, lightweight, and crazy reliable for all your outdoor adventures. With 300 lumens of brightness, it lights up the trail ahead or your campsite with ease. The multiple light modes are a huge bonus. You've got full strength, dimming, strobe, and even a red night vision setting for when you're keeping things low-key. The headlamp runs on 3 AAA batteries, giving you up to 6 hours on high or 200 hours on low, so you're covered for those extended trips. It's also IPX8 waterproof, meaning it can handle unexpected rain or even a quick dunk in a stream. Adjusting it is easy with its intuitive button layout, even when you're wearing gloves. Whether you're stargazing, setting up camp in the dark, or just heading to the bathroom at midnight, the Cosmo 300 has your back. You're out in the backcountry, far from civilization, and your water supply is running low. Instead of lugging extra bottles or worrying about boiling stream water, you pull out the Katadyn Hiker Pro. This compact, lightweight water filter is a lifesaver for outdoor enthusiasts. It's designed to filter up to 1 liter per minute, removing bacteria, protozoa, and other contaminants, leaving you with fresh, safe drinking water. The transparent design is a cool touch. You can actually see the filtration process happening, which is oddly satisfying. The filter uses an activated carbon core to reduce unpleasant tastes and odors, and the quick connect fittings make setup a breeze. It's also easy to clean in the field, so you're not stuck with a clogged filter when you need it most. Weighing just 310 grams, it's perfect for backpacking and camping trips where every ounce counts. Whether you're pulling water from a stream, lake, or river, the Katadyn Hiker Pro ensures you stay hydrated and healthy while exploring the great outdoors. Trust me, once you try it, you'll never head out without it. What's camping without a tent setup? That's no fun. Here is the Go Time Gear Life Tent. It's a weatherproof 2-person tent made from tear and puncture-resistant PET Mylar, reflecting 90% of your body heat to keep you warm and dry in wind, rain, and snow. Ideal for camping, hiking, or car survival kits. It weighs just 8.7 ounces and packs down into a compact 5.25 by 3.25 inch stuff sack for easy transportation. Its quick setup allows for versatility in various outdoor situations, and it includes a 120 decibel whistle and 20-foot paracord for emergencies. With Go Time Gear's commitment to customer satisfaction, this life tent ensures reliability and safety in uncertain environments. When adventure calls, why sacrifice comfort? The Wise Moose truck bed tent transforms any 6.3 to 6.5 foot pickup truck bed into a comfortable campsite for 2 adults, featuring double protection with 2 layers of water and wind-resistant Oxford fabric. This tent ensures dryness even in heavy rainfall. Its sturdy construction with extra thick fiberglass poles and a thick 120-gram PE floor offers durability and stability. Lightweight and easy to set up, it packs down into a compact waterproof bag for convenient transportation, with color-coded poles and instructions sewn into the carry bag. Setup and takedown are hassle-free, making it an ideal camping companion. Illuminate your outdoor adventures with the Ideal Portable Camping Lantern. Featuring a powerful 30-watt LED chip, this versatile lantern offers 2 adjustable light temperatures of 6500 K and a red flash mode for emergencies, doubling as an SOS light. Convenience is key with detachable straps and a stainless carabiner, allowing easy hanging wherever needed. Equipped with a high-strength magnet, it effortlessly attaches to any metal surface for added versatility during camping, hiking, or various projects. Lightweight and portable, it comes with a storage bag for convenient attachment to your backpack, saving valuable storage space. With its waterproof design, multiple light modes, and long battery life, this lantern is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast, combining functionality, convenience, and portability. As awkward as it may sound, you might have to respond to nature's calling anytime, anywhere. Say goodbye to emergency potty runs with the Alpcore Portable Toilet, offering anytime, anywhere bathroom relief during camping, boating, or road trips. With a piston pump flusher and large waste and water tanks, it provides powerful cleaning action without the need for plumbing or external hookups. Its durable, rust-resistant construction ensures long-term usability, supporting users of all ages. The rotating spout and waste level indicator facilitate easy and hygienic waste disposal, while the eco-friendly design saves energy, water, and eliminates wasteful disposable items. Plus, this portable toilet makes a thoughtful gift for adventure enthusiasts, ensuring comfort and hygiene on the go for families, travelers, and adventurers alike. Keep clean anywhere with the Alpcore Portable Camping Sink, offering a portable hygiene station for camping, picnics, and outdoor events. Featuring a high-capacity basin, running faucet, and soap dispenser, it recreates the convenience of a real sink without plumbing requirements. Its compact and lightweight design with rolling wheels and a built-in handle allows easy transportation, even when filled with water. Made of eco-friendly HDPE plastic, it ensures durability and easy cleaning, making it safe for various uses. Complete with a carry bag and stake kit, this portable sink is a practical and thoughtful gift for camping enthusiasts, providing clean hands and a hygienic environment for outdoor activities. The Serene Life Outdoor Fire Pit is a versatile addition to any outdoor space, functioning as both a cozy fireplace and a convenient BBQ grill. With its sturdy metal construction and high-temperature coating, this fire pit is built to last and provides a safe and reliable way to enjoy fireside gatherings. Assembly is a breeze, taking only 15 minutes with 2 people. And it comes complete with essential accessories like a mesh spark screen, cooking grill, log grate, and fire poker, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Portable and lightweight, it can be easily moved anywhere, making it perfect for camping trips, backyard parties, and outdoor entertaining. What's camping without some juicy, delicious barbecue? Pepe Nero Barbecue Accessories offers a comprehensive set of tools for all your grilling needs, making outdoor cooking convenient and enjoyable. From tongs to skewers and a digital thermometer, this set includes everything you need for the perfect barbecue experience, even when you're away in the woods. Its compact size and handy carrying case make it ideal for camping, picnics, and backyard gatherings, ensuring that you're always prepared to grill up delicious meals wherever you go. Whether you're a grill master or just starting out, this versatile set is a must-have for anyone who loves cooking outdoors. Camping doesn't have to be rough and uncomfortable, does it? Here's the solution. The Alpcore Camping Cot provides ultimate comfort and convenience for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a portable and compact sleeping solution for camping trips, hiking adventures, and beach outings. With its sturdy steel frame and durable polyester cover, This camping cot can support up to 500 pounds and ensures a restful night's sleep under the stars. Easy to set up and fold down in seconds, it comes with a matching pillow and handy side pocket for storing essential items like smartphones, keys, and water bottles. Whether you're relaxing at home or exploring the great outdoors, this camping cot is your ticket to a comfortable and rejuvenating sleep experience. So that concludes our list of next-level camping gadgets and gears for the great outdoors. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.